on?
4 p.m. Eastern time.
What shows?
Actually, if Rick is in the house, I'm basically just doing this. Just watching him run. He's
so much
so
fun,
envious
isn't
of that energy. Oh my gosh, he really is. But okay, so these were just introduced. We've had 11,000 sets already ordered.
Wow.
And so we don't have a huge amount left. 3 choices have completely sold out. I think we have 5 choices total. And we have 2 patterns that are on a save on. So let's give an overview and then we'll show you all the patterns.
Absolutely. So every year you wait for this, like Mary said, it's going to start with that 16-ounce Hug Your Mug, because the way we designed this, we literally pulled in the side here so you can hold this with one hand. Because a mug is a moment. And in the morning, a lot of times we're like, oh, yeah, this is perfection, right? Each one individually gift box, and if you want to do ship it to somebody, it comes in the gift box.
Oh, it does?
It does. Oh. Yeah, good to know, right?
Yeah.
So you know they're going to get it. Then it comes with this beautiful ornament with the satin ring attached, satin ribbon attached, but it also can be a lidded so that it keeps it nice and warm, or a coaster. So 4 coasters, 4 liddeds, 4 ornaments, and 4 mugs.
2 of the patterns are $27.98. The other 3 patterns are $32.98.
Okay, got it.
We're going to get real specific as we go through and let you know
Sure.
that the bee leaf, that beautiful yellow, and I'll hold it up so you can see, that beautiful yellow with the bees and the honeycomb pattern all over, this set of 4 is $27.98. Do you know what that means?
Wow.
$6.99 a gift.
And free shipping.
And free shipping.
Wow, Mary.
So you get that set of 4 with the matching gift boxes, of course. Now up here on our shelf, I'm going to dive up. This is Woodland White.
We still have that?
Uh-huh. And it's on a markdown.
Oh.
$27.98. Wow. $27.98 for the Woodland White. 4 gifts, $6.99. You get the mug, the ornament, and the box.
Oh, I love that, because this
Times
is like,
4.
you can use this all year long.
Totally. Now, here's up front, and we also have Paw Fetti. So that's the one that Lisa was showing us a second ago.
And these are 4 different, which I love. You're getting 4 different colors.
And there's 700 remaining in Paw Fetti. That's $8.25 a gift.
Wow.
And then we have Doodle Doo, I think is represented here. Yep. Doodle Doo's here. And we can show it on QVC.com too. But we have 2 patterns left. So here's Frosty Forest first. This is the one that I ordered. So, oh wait, we'll show Doodle Doo first. So there's Doodle Doo Red. Adorable. Remember, $8.25 a gift. And Frosty Forest.
Hold on for a second. These are available because I literally have to go order these as soon as we're finished.
We have how many left, Jonathan? 200 in Frosty Forest. And do you guys mind kind of mousing over the Frosty Forest mugs so that we can see them zoomed in, those little patterns? Let's take a look at them zoomed in because some of us aren't familiar with this pattern.
And we cannot keep this in stock. This is a brand new pattern. It is that gorgeous winter pattern. So this is all winter long with those trees that you dreamed of growing up, right?
Yeah.
The snow falling all the way around, the snowflakes. It comes in a plum, a mint green, a white, and I believe a gray.
By the way, you know how I say all the time, whether you're in studio or not, I'm always like, Joe really is the backbone of this show. Like he does all the jobs.
Yes.
He's upstairs navigating QVC.com right now. Usually he's on the floor, moving tables, moving all the stuff. He's up there doing .com right now.
Like he's a rock star.
What would we do without Joe?
I don't know.
And Jonathan and Jack. Just saying.
The 3 J's.
The 3 J's. Wait a minute. I'm grabbing you something hot out of the oven.
Look at this. Because this is stoneware. So it's oven safe to 500 degrees. It's microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe. And a mug makes a fabulous gift because everybody drinks.
Look at it bubbling.
But we want to show you Temptations. Now you can actually eat out of your mugs as well. Look, we have a little spoon right here.
It's bubbling.
Look at this, Mare.
Get in there.
Look at that. I just don't want to spill on you, so I'm trying to be very delicate. Naturally non-stick, but you can see now, have your mac and cheese, your French onion soup, your chilies, right? Like if you picked up the Dutch oven, how cute to get 4 mugs to go with it, put it, or 8, put it all around your Dutch oven, and that's what you're going to serve your chili in.
Oh, it's such a cute idea. And I want to just remind everybody, the Paw Fetti, for anybody who is a paw parent, for anybody who, you know, maybe works with a rescue service, or maybe is that person in the neighborhood that's always leaving little treats for your pets. This is a great gift for them. Your pet caretakers, there's only 6 100 left in Paw Fetti.
This is the perfect gift for them. Look, we all know people drink, right? Whether it's tea or coffee or mulled cider or mulled wine or water. Why not drink out of something beautiful?
Right.
And you don't even have to dip bow and go. You just go. Get a pen and go.
Just go. Especially on free shipping, just go. The Paw Fetti, I threw my card over here because I was so excited there was something in the oven.
Yes.
The Paw Fetti is $8.25 a gift.
Cute. I mean, this is just so cute. And remember, it comes with an ornament. Think of what you would pay for a hand-painted stoneware ornament. And if you're thinking, I don't need an ornament, no worries. Then it can be a lid for the top to keep it nice and toasty, or a coaster for the bottom.
So
like,
sweet.
This is such a functional gift.
So sweet. Here are some updates on everything that we brought in today. We started the season, Jonathan, you said, was it 11,000? Started the season with 22,000. 11,000 have already been picked up. Wow. So we are through half of the quantity that we brought in for the holidays. Believe, directly behind me, Believe is $6.99 a gift. Woodland White, you're not sure where to land right there, $6.99 a gift. Believe and Woodland White are both $27.98. Now we have Paw Fetti, Doodle Doo, and Frosty Forest for $32.98.
Wow.
Yeah, that's $8.25
Wow.
a gift. Here's Frosty Forest.
I'm literally ordering those. I thought that they were sold out.
Okay.
I can't believe they're available.
Run, because there's only about 100 left.
Just leave me too.
Yeah. America, if you could do me a solid.
Just leave me too, please. Mary, can I just tell you, there's no other place to buy white woodland mugs to match back to your dinnerware or any of these other than this set right here. You can't find it anywhere on .com.
Now, still to come, everybody.